Location, location. Hi there, Tish Scott with loanDepot in Annapolis. In our area, it makes sense to use a renovation loan to buy an outdated home or house that needs repairs. loanDepot has several different types of renovation loans to customize around your specific needs. And did you know that when you decide to get a renovation loan, you're actually going to get an extra professional to help guide you through the process? That's right. To make sure you have a wonderful customer experience, one of our renovation specialists will be assigned to your team. The renovation specialist will coordinate with your contractor and assist with your contractor's bid, which is basically a list of items that need to be renovated or repaired. And here at loanDepot, only renovation certified loan officers are allowed to assist you. Why? Because it's more complex and there are a few more steps in the process that require special attention. So whether you want a conventional renovation loan or FHA renovation loan or VA renovation loan, call me to learn more about the process. It's worth it if you want to be in your location. Tish Scott, Loan